Today, we are making something that is just pure comfort. This is Burmese starchy gravy rice, or Quail hamin. And just look at it. That beautiful, glossy gravy is practically calling your name. It's like a warm hug in a bowl, and I can't wait to show you how to make it. So, just imagine this, a thick, savory gravy, absolutely packed with all these wonderful little treasures, just poured all over a warm bed of fluffy rice. I mean, it's everything you could possibly want in one dish. So satisfying.
Welcome to the Asian Food Diary. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get right into it and bring this incredible dish to life in your kitchen.
Okay, first things first, let's go over our cast of ingredients. Getting everything prepped and ready to go is the real secret to a stress-free cooking experience. So, these are our main players. We've got bean curd sticks, which are going to soak up all that amazing gravy and get this fantastic chewy texture. Then we have these cute little quail eggs for some creaminess. The dried mushrooms and lily flowers, oh, they bring this incredible, deep, earthy flavor that's just essential. And of course, carrots and cauliflower for a little bite, all built on a classic aromatic base of onions and garlic, finished with that fresh pop of Chinese celery.
And now for the star of the show, the silky gravy itself. We're starting with a really good chicken stock as our base. The dark soy sauce is what gives it that gorgeous deep color and a ton of savory flavor. And to get that perfect thickness, we'll use cornstarch, balanced out with a little sugar and salt, and just a touch of black pepper at the end.
All right, let's get into the art of preparation. I promise, these simple steps are the calm before the delicious storm, and they make the whole cooking process so much smoother. First, you're going to want to soak all your dried ingredients until they're nice and soft. While that's happening, you can chop up your fresh veggies. And here's a little pro tip for you. Instead of mincing the garlic, give it a good smash. This breaks it down more and releases so much more of that amazing aroma. Then you'll just boil and peel the quail eggs, and finally whisk together your slurry ingredients. Easy.
Now, let's talk about this slurry for a second. This right here, this is your secret weapon for a perfectly smooth, silky gravy. By mixing the cornstarch with a bit of water and our seasonings before it hits the hot pot, you're guaranteeing a beautiful, lump-free sauce every single time. It's a game changer. Okay, our prep is done. Everything is ready to go, so let's head over to the stove and build this incredible, silky gravy. This is where all those amazing flavors finally come together.
Are you ready to create some magic with me? Let's get that pot nice and hot.
All right, here we go. First, we're going to saute that smashed garlic in some oil. You'll know it's ready when your whole kitchen just smells absolutely incredible. Then, pour in the chicken stock, bring it up to a boil, and add in all your soaked goodies and the veggies. Let that all simmer away for about 10 minutes, just so the flavors can really get to know each other. And now for the magic trick. Slowly pour in that slurry while you're stirring, and just watch, it'll thicken up into this glossy, beautiful sauce right before your eyes. Gently fold in the quail eggs and the dark soy sauce, and for the grand finale, a little sprinkle of black pepper and that fresh celery. That's it.
And just like that, it's done. Now for the absolute best part of any recipe, serving it all up.
Go ahead and grab a nice big bowl, fill it with that hot, fluffy rice, and then just ladle that gorgeous, rich gravy all over the top. Make sure you get a bit of everything in each scoop, some of those chewy bean curd sticks, a few creamy quail eggs, the mushrooms. It is just an absolute dream.
If you enjoyed cooking this comforting dish along with me, I would so appreciate it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe. And you know, I'd really love to know what you're cooking up at home, so please tell me all about it in the comments.
We made something truly special together today, and that gets me thinking, what's a comforting dish from your part of the world that you think we should explore next time? Let me know. I can't wait to read your ideas. Until then, happy cooking.